Hey, what's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. I don't know. Nowadays, the weather's being hella inconsistent. Some days it's chilly, some days it's warm. I don't know what's going on, but I'm layered up today. I just got the call for my front lip. Apparently it's ready. Today I'm just gonna head out, go pick it up, probably install it. Already got the car out. What else? Oh yeah, shout out for the support on the last video. This channel is starting to pick up some sort of momentum. I appreciate it. Keep it up. Trying to hit some numbers this year. Keep liking, keep subscribing. More to come from this channel. But yeah, let's head out. Let's get this front lip. I got my GoPro with me, so maybe we can get some POV. And yeah, let's go head out. So car's warmed up. I'm a little bit in a rush. I'll fold the seats when we get there. But let's pick up this front lip and get this car ready for this season. See you in a bit. All of a sudden there's traffic now, huh? Hopefully this whole lockdown is almost over. Cars are starting to be on the road now, but we'll see.
A few moments later.
I don't even have to say anything, bruh. Look at that. Freshly painted front lip. It's back. Looks way better than it looked before. So I'm gonna head home and then let's install this lip again. Alright, y'all. So I'm on my way home. I just decided to put up the GoPro. I got the POV going on. Hope this angle is nice for you. This car is so fun, man. Let's talk about that rear end conversion, the FD2 or CSX conversion. So I did get some quotes. On how much it would be to wrap it, and it's pretty much the same price as painting. Some places were saying like $350, $300. So looks like I just have to get it painted. It kind of sucks because it is a lot. The paint is gonna end up being more than what I picked up the lights and the tail lights for. So it's like I'm buying it twice, but it is what it is. I'm gonna save up and then eventually we'll do that rear end conversion. Man, it's nice to cruise in this whip. It's so fun. Everyone wearing masks. It's crazy, the life we live right now. Yesterday I was out. Since the weather is kind of cold, the Federals, they need heat to grip up. So I was kind of losing traction. I was having fun with it. You know when you do that first gear pull and then switch into second, get that typical Honda spin.
Just kicked in, yo.
So fun. So fun, man. Should we do it one more time? People are looking though. People are looking. Alright, let's go full send. know the cars behind me are tired of my shenanigans.
What?
Might have to do it again though. Love that first gear spin, it's so fun. We'll take it easy. No more fooling around. That's what happens when you do a few pulls. This car loves to take gas, man. Catless life. Okay, so I'm finally home. Got my setup over here. I wiped down the winglets just a bit, just to clean it up. I got that piece over there. So here's the front lip, freshly repainted, looking like VVS. This joint is shining. So this shop, they were nice enough to reinforce this area, and because of this piece that broke off, this right here, the bumper was it's starting to crack in that area because it was too flexible. So they're nice enough to reinforce it. Yeah, I'm gonna take this tape off. But shout out to the shop for doing that. Simplicity Car Care took care of me. They always come through with the paint. But yeah, let's fix it up for the top one winglets and let's get the front lip back. So here's my setup right now. I was having trouble lining up the winglets again. Obviously when you drill holes, it never goes back to the same spot. So the only problem I'm having here is I was gonna glue back the piece that came off from here, but because they reinforced it, the piece doesn't fit anymore. So I hope it stays. Guess I'm gonna rock it like that. One side is done, just have to do the other. Look at that, all done. Took me a while, I'm not gonna lie. Both sides are complete. This side, I'm running 2 bolts for the winglet. It is what it is. And because of that piece that broke off, you can see a minor crack starting to form, so gotta be careful. Gotta make sure it doesn't bend. But front lip is complete, ready to go back on the car. Starting to get dark. Took me a little bit of sweat, I'm not gonna lie, even though I'm wearing this coat. But yo, check me out. I'm looking clean. Front lip back, boy. That's tough right there. Alright squad, it's a new day. You know, I need some sunlight for this moment. Car is looking super clean, but the birds are chirping, there's light. Check me out. There you go, new front lip. Back again for the season. FA5 is clean. That's what I'm talking about. It actually makes the front end look a little bit more newer, since obviously fresh paint. The old one was 3-year-old paint, so it was kind of looking scuffed up, paint chips. But now the whole front end kind of looks new. So just like that, the car is fresh again for the season. You can't really see it on camera, but the blue on the new paint is a little bit lighter. It's a shade lighter. That's what happens when you paint dyno blue. It's really hard to get correct. Yeah, so that's what I'm kind of worried about on the CSX conversion. If I do get it repainted, the blue definitely is going to be a shade lighter. I know that's going to happen, but we'll see how we go about that. So far it's postponed for now, but I will do it, trust me. Beamer guys always popping with their exhaust. But so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This car is looking good for the summer. So now it's time to shift the focus onto the Miata. It's time to build that car up, get it neat so it can be high beams worthy, high beam spec. But yeah, stay tuned for our merch drop coming soon. You guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.